Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be making a series on how to make different types of fancy shorts for a 3-year-old. So please subscribe and put on the notification bell so you'll be notified when we post videos on this series. So let's get started already. As you can see, our fabric is on 4 folds. As you can see that already. And then we'll go ahead to take the length measurement of the short. Now the length measurement for the short is 12.5. Yeah, as you can see there, 12.5. Then for the width, we are having 10 inches for the width. 10 inches for the width. So now we'll go ahead to measure out the 2 inches we are going to be using for our elastic band for the waist. So we are taking out 2 inches and then we'll go ahead to draw the line. And now our measurements is starting proper. So we're going to take 8 inches for the waist measurement. And for the crotch, we're also taking 8 inches and 2 inches there. So we'll go ahead to join the line for the crotch. So for the bottom, more like the tie, we're taking 8 inches also. Then we'll go ahead to connect that line. Extend the line upwards, just like so. Then before we go ahead to cut, we are going to be making that curve for the crotch, and then we'll go ahead and cut it out, just like so. And now after cutting, this is what we have. So here we are going to begin our joining. As you can see, that's what it's going to look like after cutting. So we'll begin to join just like so. Now we're done joining. This is what we have. So we join the down part, that's the bottom part, just like so. Now we're done joining that bottom part. This is what we have. And after that, we'll go ahead to bend to hem the down part of the shirt. And now we're done with that, just like so. Then we'll go ahead to fix the elastic. Now before fixing the elastic, we are going to create a space for the elastic to fit in, just like this. You bend it like so. You can iron it, or you go ahead and sew it just like that. And then you leave a space in between. Yes, can be in the middle, it can be in any part of the shirt. Now we're done sewing round. This is what we have, and that's the space. That's the space where we are going to fix our elastic from. And for the elastic, we're taking about 18 inches for the waist elastic. And then we went ahead to fix the elastic just like so. Now we're done fixing the elastic. You go ahead and stitch it. As you can see, we're done stitching. Then we push the elastic in just to fit in. And now we're done. We will go ahead to seal the space that we left to fix the elastic. Go ahead and sew it. Now this is it, we are done sewing, and this is what we have. As you can see, our short is ready. I hope you liked it. Please give it a like and a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.